Hi everyone, Ganesh Kamath here from Bangalore. Uh, as Save Life Charitable Trust completes 1 year, I want to take this opportunity to thank them and to wish them all the very best for their future years. You know how good a job they've been doing over the last 1 year. I've been very fortunate to be associated with them. Actually, more than a year back, I saw some of the cases that they had put on Facebook. I got to know about them through that, and I started interacting directly with Arjun, who has been extremely helpful. And last year they actually went ahead and formed the Save Life Charitable Trust. So we know what kind of good work they are doing, the kind of research that they put in behind every single case. They submit all the research documents with us. We know whether a kid in KMC needs a particular treatment, what is the cost, who's the doctor, or if some construction work is needed, somebody needs a toilet. Every little thing is properly researched, and there's a lot of effort put in by the team to make it easy for donors like us to actually not having to do any research. So it is that much more easier, right? All it takes is just go to a payment gateway and make the payment. So the kind of confidence that the team is given with all the research that they do, and once the amount is dispersed, they actually send an image of the check. They also give us status reports as to what's happening to those recipients of the donations. So a lot of good work has gone. 300 cases, 2.2 crores in money. That speaks of volumes that they've covered in the last 1 year, and that is just that's just the beginning. So we know how much more the trust is going to do, and obviously the kind of commitment that they have shown, and the ownership that they have shown towards these cases. I'm sure they will only pick up more cases and do much more help to the society. So I want to take this opportunity to thank them again. I pray to God that he gives them the strength and the motivation to continue doing this kind of good work over many years, and make a difference to a lot of lives. Congratulations and all the best again.